ज़रूरी नहीं है हर एक व्लॉग हाई से शुरू हो, ये व्लॉग स्टार्ट होता है एक सायोनारा से। We are at the airport and we are heading to the new place. Welcome to the new vlog of the Naughty Nautiyals. चलो चलो vlog बनाते हैं।
चलो ना।
By now, आपको पता चल चुका होगा that it's a girls trip. We are going to visit a lot of new places and of course shopping. After flying for 5 hours, we are finally in Hong Kong.
हांगकांग में आपका स्वागत है।
हम हांगकांग गए हैं जुलाई में, विच इज टेक्निकली द ऑफ सीजन फॉर द प्लेस। इस व्लॉग में मिलेगी आपको बहुत सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन, वेदर यू शुड विजिट हांगकांग ड्यूरिंग द समर वेकेशन और नॉट, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ क्लोथ्स यू शुड कैरी, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ शूज यू मस्ट कैरी, वहाँ का वेदर कैसा था, क्राउड कितना था और बहुत कुछ।
तो आज तो हम बहुत सोने वाले हैं, राइट? क्या रहा? We gonna sleep? No? You guys just slept for like.
इफ़ यू आर ट्रैवलिंग टू हांगकांग फॉर लेस देन 14 डेज, तो आपको सिर्फ एक फॉर्म फिल करना है, दैट इज़ प्री अराइवल रजिस्ट्रेशन फॉर इंडियन पासपोर्ट होल्डर्स। वी वर विजिटिंग हांगकांग फॉर द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम, सो वी डिड नॉट नो कितना टाइम लगेगा। वी थॉट इट्स गोना बी द easy peasy process. Hong Kong airport is absolutely huge. We took the train for the visa immigration office.
Hunt for trolleys.
The registration took ages. Trust me, it did. There were only 2 counters open and it's a mess. We had to wait for more than 1 hour, I think.
आगे मेरी भी।
The airport was really cute, no doubt, but the registration process, oh my god, it took hell lot of time. As you all know, Hong Kong is a major coastal area located on the southern part of China. Because it's a coastal place, so यहाँ humidity हमेशा बहुत ज़्यादा होती है। We are in the car, enjoying the view.
Cloudy तो हो रहा है, guys.
We are staying at Victoria Harbour, which was like 45 minutes away from the airport. It was such a scenic drive. We were passing through the tunnel. The roads were absolutely clean. The bridges were so beautiful to look at. It's highly organized, proper traffic rules, no chaos at all. And we almost reached the city.
Okay, so we are here. Okay, that's the one. Yeah, that's the one. बहुत ही अमेजिंग एरिया में वी आर स्टेइंग। नीचे 7-Eleven सब कुछ है। 7-Eleven देख के मेरे बच्चे इतने क्रेजी हो गए ना, मजे आ रहे हैं।
So we are staying at Hyatt Centric, which is right at the Victoria Harbour. The driver was super kind. He gifted the Pokemon cards to Kiara and Samira. We're in the hotel right now and very excited. We literally loved the hotel. We had to do the check-in formalities. So it was around 1 p.m. So the check-in time is usually 3 p.m. So they asked us to wait because none of the rooms were vacant. And this was the view from our hotel lobby. Kids were sitting at the waiting area. They were looking at the view and they were looking super happy.
So we just checked in. We kept our luggages. We came out because we wanted to go to 7-Eleven. और मौसम इतना अच्छा हो रहा है, ह्यूमिड है बट हवा तो है। So I'll show you around how beautiful this place is. So we are just staying right at the harbour. Right at the harbour we are staying. भाई ये इतना छोटू सा 7-Eleven था, इसमें कुछ भी नहीं था। So अब हम जा रहे हैं बड़े वाले 7-Eleven में। So this is our hotel. कितनी बुरी तरह जाना है 7-Eleven। बिल्कुल सामने है यूनिक्लो। बस होटल से निकलते ही सीधा शॉपिंग। Are you not tired? इतना कम सो के भी टायर्ड नहीं हुआ? And what are you feeling? I so miss Japan right now. Japan is definitely much better, but this is no less.
इफ़ यू हैव बिन टू जापान और कोरिया, आपको पता होगा 7-Eleven का रेलेवेंस। हर एक 100 मीटर पे एक 7-Eleven होता है और क्या क्या मस्त चीज़ें खाने को मिलती हैं। सो नाउ यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई वी वर सो क्रेजी अबाउट गेटिंग हियर। क्यारा की शक्ल देख के तो आप अंदाज़ा लगा ही सकते होगे कि कितनी खुश है।
I wish ये बनाना होती।
Another reason to be at 7-Eleven was to get this octopus card. इसको बस रिचार्ज कराओ and tap. And in the corner there was this fruit shop. इतनी सारे fresh fruits, grapes, lychee, cherries, हम इग्नोर ही नहीं कर पाए।
We bought some fruits. हमने थोड़े से fruits लिए, लीची. हैंड वॉश कर लो फटाफट से, वॉशरूम जाओ. हाँ हम यहीं पे तो हैं. Go and ask where. बच्चों खाओ, चीटोस भी आ रहे हैं. दिस इज़ मोची स्ट्रॉबेरी और इसमें एक्चुअली में मोची के चंक्स आ रहे हैं. रिफ्रेश.
टू योर सरप्राइज हमें रूम मिलने में अभी 1 और घंटा बचा था, तो वी डिडंट वांट टू वेस्ट अ टाइम और हम टैक्सी पकड़ के निकल गए. K11 Musea is the Hong Kong's largest shopping mall, and not just largest, it is one of the most beautiful malls I have ever been to. The first store we went to was Lululemon. It's an activewear brand, and little we knew, Delhi ka first Lululemon store is about to get opened. We are not going to show you what exactly we bought because उसके लिए एक अलग vlog आएगा what all we bought in Hong Kong. Okay, the next stop was On Cloud. You already know how much hyped the shoes are from this brand. I love collecting footwear, but I am not a shoe lover. You must have never seen me wearing shoes. Kids were sitting quietly while mamas were shopping for now. So I picked up On Cloud 6 for myself, the perfect color I wanted, and this was in my list, so I was so happy. Next we went to the basement of K11 Musea, and there is a food court and lots of kids stores. We were here for the very first time, so we were exploring what all stores are there, क्या products हमें यहाँ मिलते हैं, and the quality of food, oh my god, it was just fabulous. So there are lots of playhouses and the kids area. There is the biggest Toy R Us also. So the next stop was Toy R Us. It is a hub for all the toys from all over the world. Kiara had a very long list. She wanted to buy clickies, and trust me, these kids are crazy about squishies. Look at them. It was already 6 p.m. We took the taxi and came back to the hotel. We checked in, and this is the view from the window of our room. We're gonna stay here for 5 days. Every morning and night we are going to look at these yachts and the beautiful clouds and this beautiful road, and this was so calming. We were so happy that we decided the best thing for ourselves. That was pretty much all we did on day 1. We ordered the food in the room. Kids were very happy. They were giggling and laughing, and it was a nice day. Let's see you tomorrow. And the day 2 starts with a big smile.
Yay, magic.
We left for the breakfast and kids started asking the rating for the hotel and the ambience.
You rated 1 out of 10.
10, 8. 8 because of the weather. और breakfast नहा धो गए हैं बट नाइट वेयर में आ गए हैं. So क्यारा तो तैयार हो गई थी. She नहीं, if everybody is going, तो मैं भी नाइट सूट में ही जाऊंगी. So I'll show you around.
We were very excited. There was no plan कि हमें कहाँ जाना है. We haven't created any itinerary. Keeping in mind यहाँ पे कभी भी बारिश होती है, तो हमने यही सोचा था कि we'll make the impromptu plans. So अभी breakfast करके we are just going to go. Foreign countries में it is always very difficult for vegetarians to find the food that they can eat. Taste वगैरह तो भूल जाओ. बहुत हद तक breads and आलू पे ज़िंदा रहना पड़ता है.
ममा ने रख दिया आपका, आप जाओ और मैं अपनी कॉफ़ी लेके आती हूँ. जाओ.
So there were not a lot of options for vegetarians, so हमने काफ़ी हद तक fruits और bread से ही काम चलाया.
Look at this mango यार. ये breakfast का छोटा सा मैंगो इसको ऐसे ऐसे खाने, कितना क्यूट है.
Name is Baby Timmy.
बेबी टिमी इसका नाम रखा है इसने. मैं बेबी टिमी को खाने वाली हूँ. क्योंकि दिन के टाइम इतनी धूप होती है, तो हमने ये सोचा है कि बाय द टाइम इट्स 4 और 5 हम तब प्लान करेंगे. विल गो टू पॉप मार्ट में फिर से शॉपिंग करने के लिए जाएंगे.
ऐसे
या वेयर आर वी गोइंग टुडे गर्ल्स? शॉपिंग है. नीडो हंटिंग. और नीडो एक स्क्विशी होता है. एक स्क्विशी होता है जो इन बच्चों को बहुत ही बुरी तरह चाहिए. ये इनकी लिस्ट में है, तो हमने कल रात को रिसर्च करी है 1 घंटे की कि वो हमें कहाँ कहाँ मिल सकता है. जरूरी नहीं है मिलेगा, हम हंट के लिए निकले हैं. राइट? Dumpling and squishies. We have a very long list.
We're going to like 3-7 shops.
Yeah, and then in the evening the plan is to टेक द ट्रैम एंड वो ट्रैम वाला व्यू हम करने वाले हैं. सो लेट्स सी. ह्यूज. वहाँ भी इनको पॉप मार्ट, ये सिर्फ पॉप मार्ट के लिए वो ट्रैम में बैठने वाले हैं. अदरवाइज दे हैव नो इंटरेस्ट इन एनीथिंग एल्स.
हांगकांग की कुछ कुछ जगह मुझे जापान की याद दिला रहा था एंड ऑल ऑफ अ सडन वी सॉ दिस डॉन डॉन डोंकी. दिस इज अ नोन जापानीज स्टोर. Okay, the first place we went to is Causeway Bay.
ओके, सो वी हैव कम टू विंडसर. हम यहाँ क्या करने आए हैं? हॉलमार्क ढूंढने ना.
You must all know Hallmark is a known gifting store, but वो कभी कभी वहाँ पे टॉयज भी रखते हैं.
हाँ, तो इट्स गुड ना. स्माइल इज फ्री. दैट इज व्हाट यू कैन गिव टू एनीबडी एंड एवरीबडी, राइट? क्या चाहिए तुम्हें? ओके, मुझे पता नहीं क्यों ऐसा लग रहा है तुम्हें कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला.
Kids literally went crazy. They started looking for different kind of squishies. I don't know what kind of satisfaction they get while squishing them. हमारे टाइम में ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता था. इतने सारे हैंगिंग की चेन्स, ये अलग अलग ये जो बच्चों के नए ट्रेंड्स आ रहे हैं ना, these are making parents go bonkers for real. And trust me, ये सारी चीज़ें इतनी क्यूट होती है ना. क्यारा तो क्यारा, even I am fond of these things.
You didn't find the needle. चलो बिलिंग पे चलो बस. हैप्पी? कुछ तो मिल गया. क्लिकीज तुम्हें लास्ट डे मिलना था, वो तुम्हें आज ही मिल गया है. कह रहे गिव मी द बैग.
Finally, we reached Hallmark and kids got really sad when they got to know Nidos were out of stock.
Are you sad you're not getting needles? Oh यहाँ Slimit भी है. चिकावा बिल्ली. चलो.
Next we went to Sasa. It is a known cosmetic store. यहाँ पे कोरियन, जापानीज, हर तरीके का स्किन केयर सब कुछ अवेलेबल था in one shop. So we got everything here. Dr. G, Alcia, Medicube, Arencia, you name it and they had it. I had plans to go to Cosme, that is the Japanese cosmetic store, but मुझे सब कुछ यही मिल गया था. So I was very happy.
तो मिनिएचर्स, इसमें कुछ अच्छे ब्रांड्स का है क्या? मिनिएचर देखो, कुछ अच्छा है तो दिखाना. ये वाला तो है ना हमारे पास. जो हमारे पास नहीं है वो लो.
यही दिखा रही थी.
शो मी. ये तो ब्लू है, मेरे पिंक से मैच नहीं करेगा ना, बिकॉज ममा ओनली वांट्स पिंक. आई फाउंड दिस जूसी टेंट मिफी वाला.
चलो 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 चलो. हाँ, और सीधा 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 सीधा. This is the high show. High show.
Where is it? ये क्या है?
It's high show lip balm. Oh, I also have this one. This one is like the coldest that I ate.
If you're a girl and watching my vlog, you would understand the feeling of getting everything you don't get in India. The essay was Chinese, so उसने अपनी टूटी फूटी इंग्लिश में मुझे बहुत कुछ समझाया कि अगर आप ये सब लेते हो तो आपका ये ऑफर लगेगा. एंड आई वॉज रियली हैप्पी.
कि मिस आगे बाहर आते. आई कांट सी एनीथिंग. तो हमने इतनी क्यूट शॉपिंग करी है. इतने प्यारे प्यारे ब्रांड्स, इतने प्यारे लिप बाम्स. ओह माय गॉड. आपको सब दिखाएंगे क्या क्या लिया है. और कोरियन प्रोडक्ट्स में भी जो जो चाहिए था हमें वो मिल गया. और इतने सारे डील्स, डिस्काउंट्स, मज़े ही आ गए.
So now we're going for our shopping, which is Don Don Donkey. We might get good stuff, so that's why we're going there. And Japanese store है तो बहुत discount है वहाँ पे.
If you're traveling to Hong Kong and you're fond of Japanese snacks, this is the place you need to go. The moment you enter, you see thousands of gacha gacha. Kiara got crazy looking at them. Gacha gacha is a machine. You just put a coin and you get the surprise box.
इतनी जापानीज वाइब आ रही है. इतने गाचा गाचा यार. Everywhere is gacha gacha.
You can find everything here, be it Japanese snacks, chocolates, kid stuff.
बुआ से मंगाएंगे.
If you all don't know, Kiara Bua stays in Tokyo, and that is how Kiara is fond of Japanese stuff. She found the chocolate lollipop which she has been eating since she was a baby.
ले ले. Feels like हम जापान घूम रहे हैं, है ना? सब कुछ मिल रहा है यहाँ पे.
किसी भी country जाओ, the cities have a different charm. Looking at the chaos on the roads, looking at the taxis, different people, the culture, I am so fond of it. Just look at her. इसने सोचा होगा, let me focus on my creme brulee.
So we came out of Don Don Donki and वहाँ पे हमें जापान की वो सारी चीज़ें मिली जो क्यारा और मेरी फेवरेट है. Mainly jellies with the what do you call real fruits. And now we are going back to the same place जहाँ से हमने कोरियन मेकअप सामान लिया था because कुछ मुझे जो गिफ्ट मिल रहा था वो दूसरे मॉल से आ रहा था. So now we are going back to pick my stuff. Pack my stuff.
What is this पूरे ट्रिप में needles ना मिले?
कोई बात नहीं.
Next, we headed to Lee Garden. We were looking for a store called Gentle Monster. We entered the wrong building. It was across the road. And we finally entered Gentle Monster. What an immersive store it was. It literally felt like the art gallery. It's a South Korean luxury brand known for its experimental glasses. The one you see in my hand can actually fold, and this is the one I went for. It definitely matched my aesthetics. Minimal but edgy. Yep, you got it right. I was in love with these glasses. So I just didn't pick one. I picked two of them. I cannot tell you how light these glasses were.
I'm so excited. Please see me blushing. I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
While we spent 1 hour to choose our glasses, our kids literally gave the space to us.
How many glasses did you get?
2. Yeah. I'm so happy right now. I got the glasses I wanted. I'm so glad.
वहाँ पे ऑलमोस्ट सबके बैग्स पे कोई ना कोई हैंगिंग होती है, तो क्यारा कैसे पीछे रहती.
बैक इन द होटल और अभी हम स्टारबक्स जाने वाले हैं. इतना क्यूट है हमारे होटल के ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे. यू हैव ऑल दीज क्यूट थिंग्स. आई डू लव सो मच क्यूट थिंग्स.
Mama selfie time.
लेट्स गो. हेलो.
We got ready again.
It's time for the tram. We are ready and we're moving. Hi girls.
Hi.
What's up? What's up?
Like hi.
We're so
Going-
excited to go to Tramp and Pop Mart.
You are excited for Pop Mart, that I know. Not that tram.
And also the Tramp because the view is so pretty.
Yeah, you want to say something?
I just want to go to Pop Mart.
You are not excited for tram?
I am.
Yeah, you'll have a very beautiful view.
I know.
घुस जाए इसके अंदर. अरे हमने कोई भी places visit नहीं करी है except for shopping. So no shopping for now. Only tram.
As the name explains itself, the tram, which takes you to the peak, it is one of the iconic experiences in Hong Kong. I was shocked to know that this peak tram has been operating since 1888. Can you believe that? We bought Ruby special ticket. That was an exclusive one, but there was no crowd, no queue, nothing. थोड़ा सा अंदर जाके हमें कुछ लोग दिखे.
It looks beautiful. Guys, do not take Ruby Special because there's no crowd here. We wasted money.
Nevertheless, everything was looking so beautiful and we were waiting for that one experience we always heard about. Since वहाँ कोई भीड़ ही नहीं थी तो स्टाफ भी एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रहा था कि कोई रूबी स्पेशल टिकट लेकर आएगा. सो एट द एंड हमें सबके साथ बीच में जाके खड़ा होना पड़ा. I will recommend you to go during the evening time. 4:30 to 5 is the best time because by the time you reach to the peak, you can also experience the sunset. That way you can see Hong Kong in the daylight during the golden hour and then watch the city light up at night.
कैसा था? It was nice, na?
The tram terminates at the peak tower, and there is the market. You have to pass through this market to go to the Sky Terrace. At the ground level, you will find the stores for souvenirs, eatables, and don't forget to take the ticket for the Sky Tower. You have to go through escalator to reach to the top.
We are at the Sky Terrace.
And we loved every bit of staying at the Sky Terrace. The view was mesmerizing. And our girls were slaying.
Beautiful.
We came one level down and there was a shop and the kids went crazy.
कितने लोगे?
एक ही.
Okay, fine.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, so cute.
I got purple. Oh my gosh, we got the glitter one.
You guys are so lucky, man.
So we just got the red glitter real dumplings, right?
Yes.
The real ones.
Just kidding, it's fake.
Yeah, they got it too. It's so good. It's definitely real dumpling.
It's not. But want that swag.
I hope now you guys can relate when I was telling you that these kids are crazy about squishies. They are so happy to even get the knockoffs, man.
She's born in Hong Kong.
Oh, okay.
And to my surprise, इन बच्चों को जिसने ये dumpling invent किया उसकी जन्मपत्री भी पता है. Next stop was the Peak Galleria. It is the mall next to Peak Tower. Pop Mart needs no introduction. सबको पता है last year Labubus कितने viral हुए थे. And Labubu is a Pop Mart product.
जी एच की तो दो लेना ना.
हाँ.
एक आपका एक मेरा. एक ये भी लेना आपको. यू भी क्यूट है. क्या रहा? Fast. I'm doing it. Which one should you be mine? I love
इसने जितने ये अंग्रेजी के मंत्र जाप करके ये लबूबूज उठाए हैं ना, इसको इतने गंदे कलर्स मिलने वाले हैं ना. अब आप आगे देखना.
Good. Such a good. ठीक है, चलो.
और ब्लू वाला आपका है.
ठीक है. Says this is the Momo, and this is Mega Labubu.
We wanted to see the sunset, so the deal was they are going to open their Labubus here in the mall itself.
Yes, I got something bad. I know.
Pila.
And I got N. I got Y. I hate it. Mama.
खोलो.
Cute. It's still cute. It's not A, but it's still.
I don't want this.
दोनों
अच्छे
सुंदर है.
हैं. और अब मैं इस समायरा को लेके जा रही हूँ ताकि ये मेरे को अपने हाथ से व्हाइट कलर का लबूबू दिलाए. सारा की दुनिया में सबसे घटिया कलर के लबूबू निकले. एक निकला है येलो. यार. Please God, please. Oh, this is cute. This is very cute. Letter E.
Take my yellow labubu. Sometimes if you wear a green or teal dress, you can take my
Okay.
teal labubu. And if I wear something purple, I can take your
I really
purple
love
labubu. Purple.
That was it. This is like a bad
This is the
color.
first time my luck didn't work. Mama, my luck is the
हाँ,
best.
अच्छा है. बहुत प्यारा है, क्यूट है. देखो.
Look
Are
at his
you
yard.
serious?
You have to censor.
Bums है ये.
Censored. This is such a cute magnet.
Oh my God, it's cheap.
बहुत अच्छा.
क्यारा आपको तो इसलिए अच्छा लगा ना क्योंकि आपको पॉप मार्ट की शॉपिंग मिल गई. सच्ची बोलना
Yeah.
है ना. But नहीं, the tram experience was really nice, है ना?
If we wouldn't have gone to Pokemon, my favorite thing right now would be the tram.
बहुत मजे आए. It was amazing. वापस आते हुए अंधेरा हो गया, so we didn't see anything outside.
Yeah,
but,
it wasn't fun
but हाँ, while going it was so much fun.
Yeah.
We reached the hotel. There was a little traffic jam and we got to know that there was a little fire in the building front of our hotel. We were shocked to see the number of fire trucks and the firemen working at that place. It was a fire in a trash can, एक cigarette butt की वजह से. Never forget, एक छोटी सी चिंगारी आग में बदल सकती है. बहुत हुई फिल्मी बातें, बहुत हुआ ज्ञान. Here the vlog is coming to an end. Our day 1 and day 2 spent well. मिलते हैं next vlog में day 3 in Hong Kong. Sayonara.